Guys, my name is Thomson Aron Moshi. I'm from University of Radisys, Tanzania. I'm going to present about AgriSight AI, the integration of agriculture with AI technology. The team member NIKANORY Peter Noniyyo, YANGE HASSAN KULWA, MUSHI THOMSON ARON, Martin Malius, KAGOMA FLORA LEONIDAS. The sponsors we used are Radisys and Jambonz. The introduction. In Tanzania, there are 40 million and above hectares of farmland in the country, and also 63,000 tons of maize consumption were recorded in 2020. And from there, 30% of the production of maize are lost due to diseases. One of the diseases that cause the loss of production is maize rust disease. This is a common disease caused by fungus, and the most common type include rust, Pusinia sorgi, and southern rust, Pusinia polypsora. So the solution we developed and we named it AgriSight AI. It's a system that determines early detection of rust using an AI model for maize field, which is monitored by drones. So the first step is the drone circling the field, where the drone is being placed in the farm, and it scans all the crops through a camera, and then we take that video data into a deep neural network model to detect the infections. And after that, we provide an alert to a mobile application, which is going to be given to the farmer, and then the farmer can go and do some disinfections as well as to remove the problem. And this also helps the farmer to identify the location of the problem. So the areas where the most affected areas are going to be detected, and they are going to be provided with the location to the farm. All you need to do is to set your farm and connect to a drone. So this is a user interface of our system, and the first step for the farmer is to set the farm location and the coordinates of his or her farm. And here, a farmer is going to set his farm location, as you can see there with those red lines. So here we use a technology called QGIS to determine the location, the map location of the farmer's farm. And after that, he is going to save the location, so that when he comes next time or he connect to a drone, then the drone scans through this location only. And the other thing is, the next step is to connect to a drone, and then after connecting to a drone, the first interface here is the drone location, which is the first thing that the interface that the farmer is going to see, the drone location where the drone is at the real time, and then the lower is the video, which is going to be streamed live through the mobile application. So the farmer will see the video in real time. And then after the video is being processed with the neural network model that uses machine learning, it's going to determine the rust level at the site where the drone is at the moment. So if the level is beyond, then it's going to be at the red side of the bar. If the level is normal, yeah, and the menu interface for the application is As you can see there, it has set farm location, connect drone, and notifications, and also settings and a call for assistance. So here we are using Jambonz call technology to make the calls to make assistance. And there, yeah. So thank you very much for listening. And this is AgriSight AI.